Hello, good evening people of Cagayan de Oro. So, we are seeing once again today is October 23rd, 2021. It is my greatest pride to share this coming season. A lot of people always think about me that I'm a good chef, I'm a culinary arts, but unfortunately, hindi ko pinurso yung pagiging chef. It's all because I love cooking. I love cook, I love the way how I get hard in the kitchen. But unfortunately, yung feel ko na pagiging chef is I never get used to it because I love travels, I love work, I love being engineers. I had a lot of talents, a lot of skills. It has been the greatest privilege for me as a person. I get always sometimes get hard at the kitchen, but unfortunately, I never get used to it. I love food. I love cooking. I know how to cook, culinary, or whatsoever, but hindi ko talaga siya pinurso na magiging chef. Kasi it's being a passion. It's a flavor, it's a taste, it's your passion. It is your desire na magiging chef ka talaga. It has always been the biggest pride to yourself, to your name, na magiging chef ka in the future. So, from now on, I started to learn a new things, the new beginning, the delicious foods, na may share mo sa mga friends mo. Yun ang the best na bagay na may babahagi mo sa mga tao. So, what I did today is to share what I want. So, God bless you to all Cagayan de Oro City. Hope you enjoy everything what you seen today. So, annyeong ko sa'yo, kamsahamnida.